Hello everyone and welcome to another FXCentrum trade idea for the day. For today I decided to cover a crude oil market, and I see potential for the upside movement today and maybe a rotation back up in also the next couple of days. So let's start first from a daily time frame. What we had in the last 2 days was a massive reversal that happened from around 78.73 mark. So we'll take so market was traded higher here. A majority anticipated upside breakout. There was a gap up. There was a strong reversal happened like 2 days ago, and we had some follow through yesterday to the downside. So in total, if I go in terms of percentage, from the high to the low, there was a 17% drop in the crude oil in about 2 days. And this is one of the biggest climatic actions that probably in the last at least couple of years. And we have quite a big extremist standard deviation move in the last 2 days, and I expect a rotation up at least back to 68.93 and maybe even higher. But 68.93 will be the main upside objective. So I want to go now and really go to the lower frames. So what we can see here is that market traded higher. We feed back here into those moving averages, and we had break consolidation here to the upside. We had this consolidation that lasted for about 5-6 hours and a strong push higher like 40 minutes ago. Market is now in a pullback mode, but I expect I see potential for the higher prices on the crude oil today. So we had this move higher, and seems like there is a chance for a move, the upside continuation. I will say protective stop around 65.40. I will not like to see the price all the way down because this will be a sign for a further drop. So let me now construct the buy idea on the crude oil. Because 68.93 like a main upside objective, and if I take this long position tool here and put a protective stop to be here around 65.47, you can see that there is almost 2.7 times bigger reward versus initial risk if this will be able to play out. So 2.7 times bigger versus initial risk, I think that's a very, very good risk reward ratio for the, let's say, a short term trade idea that can last for a day or two. Of course, you can also play for the second downside objective. And I will say the second downside objective from my perspective will be around 72 mark. So this will be just in terms of if we have a rally today and maybe some follow through tomorrow, then there is even potential for the 5 times bigger over initial risk. So this will be idea for today, and probably that can hold. We will see if the idea can hold for even a couple of days or so. But those are the upside objectives. So 3 to 5, almost 3 to 6 times bigger reward versus initial risk in this particular trade idea. On the crude oil, based on what is happening and based on the volatility that we have in the crude oil, there's lots of focus on this market, and we will see how this will play out. Feel free to subscribe on our YouTube channel, leave the comments below, and of course check about amazing opportunity in 1,000 euros non-deposit bonus by FXCentrum. I have a link in the description of the video. That'll be all for this video, and stay safe, trade smart, and see you in the next video.